Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be writing the program called Echo. This program is intended to show the usage of input and output operations. It prints back the text entered by the user. The learning objectives of this lesson are following. We will practice using output operations that we have learned during the last lesson. We will also practice the usage of variables, which will be needed to write this program. Finally, we will learn to read text from standard input. Now let's go to the text editor. Let's start writing our Python script. Before I read the text entered by the user on the keyboard, I want to let him know that he should type something. The print instruction has an optional argument AND. If I set it to empty string, the cursor will not move to the next line after printing. Next, I initialize the variable user input and set it to the value of the function input. Then I can print something again and quote the user input. I do this in 2 lines of code, invoking print function twice. So I have 4 lines of code. And now we may test the program. I will now act as the user and I will type text hello world. And you can see that the program has repeated the text I had entered. Let's try something else. For example, I like Python, and a smiley face, and it works perfectly good. Now go back to the program and let's change it a little bit. So I'm going to modify my program and I will make it shorter. But this program will keep its original functionality. Such change of a program that does not involve modification of the way it works is called refactoring. Usually it makes your code more concise, readable, and easier to change in the future. So this is the way to do the same thing in just 2 lines of code. Instead of using print to give the prompt to the user, I put the text to display as an argument of the input function. And I can also put multiple arguments while calling the print function. Now I test the program and to see if it works the same way. And as you can see from the user perspective, it's the same program. Let's try again. And this is the end. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If so, I encourage you to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time.